Okay guys, so in case you have a 2016 and up Honda Civic 10th generation and your third brake light isn't turning on, show you guys an example right now. The brakes, cool. So you guys see the left and right one are turning on, but the third brake light isn't turning on. So let me show you guys how to replace it. Super easy on Honda Civics compared to like the BRZ, where that one's more complicated. You have to actually replace the whole LED strip than just a bulb. One good thing about owning a Honda Civic, so you're gonna get down right here. I don't know what my girlfriend has in these bags, probably like bodies or something. I'm kidding, it's like a huge ass teddy bear. Let me just take the teddy bear out. So we got rid of that body. I'm kidding, it's just a teddy bear. Big ass teddy bear that her ex gave her. No, I'm kidding. Cool. You just have to come down right here, and right under the trunk light is this one right here. All you have to do is twist it to your right, to your left, and then pop it out, and there we go. And then all you have to do is just pop it out, and as you can tell, it's kind of blown. You can kind of see the dark spot right there. Okay, so this is the old one I removed, and the numbers on it, it's 7440. Went to my local automotive store and picked up 2 of these. Shout out to Rodolfo for giving me a discount. And all I needed was 1, but I guess it's good to have in case it does blow out again. I just cut the back of it with like a key or something. And it's always good to just open it from the back instead of from down here, because all you need to do is kind of just opening it up a little bit, take one of them out, and then there you go. It's still kind of sealed for the other one, so you won't lose it if you opened it from like the sides. Now let's reinstall this one. So we're just gonna like push it in there, and you're gonna kind of feel it. You're gonna hear that little click, and then I'm gonna have my girlfriend go hit the brakes so I can see if it turns on. There we go. So it is a white LED. I'm assuming that this red thing, as you can see right here, is a red housing. So all we have to do is put it back in there. We're gonna do the same thing, which is just put it right there, and then you're gonna twist it to the right this time. That's it. Hit the brakes. Cool, and there we go. It's like that. All 3 tail lights are working, and the third brake light's working now. So thanks for watching guys. Until next time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until the next video, peace.